Hello everyone, I just want to take a moment to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. To Plookpanya School, you have been my second home and a place that helped me to grow as a person and a golfer. Thank you for believing in me and giving me the opportunity to shine. To Mr. Acharya and my amazing golf team, coach and staff, you have guided me every step of the way, pushing me to become my best self both on and off the course. To my dad, my biggest supporter and cheerleader, I couldn't have done any of this without your love and your encouragement. To all my high school teachers and everyone around me, thank you for shaping me, teaching me, and inspiring me to dream big. This journey has been incredible, and I will carry this memory with me as I head to Stetson University in the USA. Thank you for making this chapter of my life unforgettable. Thank you.